Hello everybody, I'm here to tell you about Prime XBT, one of the greatest platforms for trading. You can do so much with this site and it's very easy, very fast. So you can earn daily interest on your cryptocurrencies as well, and you can actually earn up to 14 APY. You can also do tradable gloating with using Bitcoin, USD, Tether. You can trade cryptocurrencies, stock indices, commodities, Forex. You can even do co-vesting and copy trading, which is going to automatically allow copy performance as well. And you can actually get paid for inviting friends for up to 50% of what they send. As well as you can do so much more. If you would like, there is actually a link in the description with a promo code that's going to actually help with some of those fees. So definitely go in and check that out. So of course, if you go into the description, you're clicking that promo code, we need to get registered, right? It's very easy. If you look in the upper top right hand corner, click register and just enter your email, make a password, accept the terms and conditions, and it's going to send you a PIN code and follow it in. Stay with me as I'm registering my account, and I'll be right back with you. Now, once you come here, you've already logged in, you've entered the PIN code number. This is going to come up to fund your account. So you can make a deposit and start trading. So plus $50 is a welcome bonus. And to start trading with leverage to access all of those platform features, you will need to make a deposit to your personal wallet. Now, to make a deposit as listed as the table below and enjoy a $50 bonus, right? So this is giving your time, like Bitcoin is like 0.017, Ethereum is at 0.23, USDT is at 1,000, and USDC is 1,000 as well. So you have exactly 23 hours, 53 minutes, and 57 seconds to take upon that. So now all you have to do is click deposit button and bring your wallet address and QR code. Now, I want to remind you, there is that promo code in the description actually to do that free trading as well. So do click in the description and take advantage of that. Definitely don't let time slip through your fingers. So another cool thing about this, they do have an iOS system app as well. And you can do it from a tablet or any cell phone. They have an app, and take advantage of that too, because it can really save you a lot of time. All right, so let's speak about copy trading, right? So copy trading or co-vesting, right? So welcome to that. Now, the co-vesting trading module is an innovative feature that's going to let you automatically copy trades of leading traders on the platform and gain from their experience. Now, they give you a wonderful tutorial, and this is it right here, and you can just follow through. All right, so if you're an experienced trader, you can actually earn additional income. So with this copy trading module, every trader can start their own strategy. They can earn secondary income by receiving success fees from other followers. Now, the more successful a trader is, the more followers they will acquire and more fees they'll make from profitable trading. Now, copy leading traders. Now, choose one of several leaders from the leaderboard and automatically copy their trading activity. Now, the investment copy trading module allows you to achieve the same returns as the best performing traders on the platform. Now, it does give you a warning. So your capital is at risk. Statistical information and historical performances are not a guarantee of future performances. So never invest more than you can afford to lose. So be in control of this. Now, whether you are a strategy manager or a follower, you are always in full control of this. Now, diversify your portfolio with over 80 plus assets. Manage the risk and increase or withdraw your investments at any time. And then once you've kind of went over and read all of this, now you can also see create a strategy or to go to rating. I'm going to click go to rating just so you can see. And this is actually going to give you the rating of the market so far, right? So we have to the moon, right? Which is, let's see, 1,485%, right? Minus like 0.33% as well. And you can see active days, the followers, the performance as well, the followers equity, and the rating. So you're going to be able to choose up to a 5-star rating. Now, stars are issued only if the total profit of a strategy is greater than 0. Now, a strategy can receive up to 5 rating stars, and a star being issued for meeting one of the following conditions. So like 1, the manager's equity is more than equal to 0.5 Bitcoin. Over the past 60 days, the number of trading days is actually the presence of trading activity is greater or equal to 30. And over the past 30 days, the margin usage did not exceed 40%, and the trading volume was more than 0. Now, for the last 30 days, the ratio closed profitable positions in comparison to close unprofitable. positions was at least 30%. Now, over the past 30 days, the turnover has been greater than or equal to 50 Bitcoin. So this is really it. This is awesome. Very, very awesome. Come and check this out, and you can actually join the co-vesting community as well. And you can scroll down and look at that. There's a lot of people here where you can really co-invest and really make some money. And here's the ratings here. So you can see some of them don't have a rating. And you can follow them. Just click follow. And this is giving you a risk disclaimer and like, okay, I follow, and you can activate. I confirm I read and agree, and initial following amount. And you can do this amount as well. So when you follow this, now note that profit loss occur only once the following is stopped or strategy is closed. Now you can come here for the fee. It's like 1%. The total required, right, is at least like 0.00101 Bitcoin. And there's a manager fee, which is 20%, a platform fee, which is 20%. And you have an option to reduce the fee as well. So definitely check that out. So not only does it have all of those other cool options, they have a couple of other options too. You can actually win 100 grand. How can you win 100 grand? By the contest. In the upper bar, you can see there's actually a contest section. And you can see, for example, awards, 100,000 US dollars. And the contest ends in exactly 9 days, 5 hours, 55 minutes, and 60 seconds. And it was started in November, and you can see this, and you can click on view, and it gives you more detail, right? So there's always going to be some kind of competitions going on as well, so some contests. So you can see, so the first place, actually 50,000, second place, and well, third place is 10,000. You can even see there's more, right? So fourth place, you can always win money. And you can even see the ranking, like Top Gun, right? It's right here. You can see how many trades he has going on as well. So you can really check out and see how good you are. When you come in through, so these are the ones they have. So weekly battle, like number 2 as well. Weekly battle 3. So many cool different things. You can check out even for a market analysis. So charts by trading view. And there you can actually see the trading analysis based on this. Now this one shows Cardano, for example. But they have them. Is when you can trade now and start to make some money. This is the chart. You can go to markets and you can go to news as well. And now when you go back to main, the same thing we was talking about the copy trading or the co-vest, you can see this too. Now like copy trading top, you can actually see this information too with some of the top people to follow, right? Like Nautilus, like Bitcosaurus app, FRK Technique, and these are some of the top you can see, and you can just start following them right off the bat. And you can actually see the copy trading portfolio, the strategies, and the contest all right here from the main. So these things right here, you're going to be able to find as well. Even your referrals, right? You're going to be able to do that. So even if you want to refer somebody with a referral program, you can come here to the referrals, and you can see you actually have your own personal affiliate link. Just copy and select, or you can actually do this as well. You can download a marketing kit. You can post it on Twitter. You can post it on Telegram, and you can do it on Facebook as well. It shows your statistics as well, and you can have that referral network and actually the hierarchy all right here at one. Now, a couple of more things before I go and let you go ahead and check out this really awesome thing. So when you click on the 3 bars here, you're going to have the tutorials to watch for the tutorials. You have the help center, chat, feedback, and your settings. And all of it makes it very easy. So you can actually do the Google Authenticator with enabling 2FA. As well, you can change your password. You have a Telegram bot, and you can do all of these as well. Change the language. You can do the reference currency as well. So many different things you can do with this. So don't stop wasting your time. This actually puts a lot of fun back into trading. This makes it really fun in the trading, and actually with some advice. You're co-investing with other top traders. So you just pay a couple of feet and they help you make money. Now, once you kind of like leave that, once you leave or stop following, that's when, you can do your stop loss right there. So stop wasting time. Go check out the link, hit that promo code down in the description, and really, really have fun with Prime